Wondering on how to create a transparent text in Sony Vegas? Within some minutes, I'll be showing you step by step on how to do this. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of such content. Let's get started. The first thing is to add your text. I'll choose legacy text. I'll type what I want. I'll put the vanilla. Maybe I increase my text size to 90. I will choose a font type. This one is, but I will choose a font type. Pick up a font type of your choice. Right, I will choose this balance some FP. I will still go ahead and increase this. Alright, now the first thing to do is you go to properties, go set this value to 0. This is the 0, or you can just go hit here 0, go to effects, check the draw outline, increase this value so that the outline goes beyond the text. Like this is okay. Close it. Set add a background image. Now you can play it. We just created a transparent text in Sony Vegas. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit on the like button, don't forget to subscribe and share, don't forget to hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our tutorials. And if you need more fonts, follow the link in the description to download and edit your content with. I'll see you in the next tutorial.